Hi guys, oLLie and Luke here. Just want to say happy Father's Day. We are having our summer lunch. Links will be in the description below. Today we have a tiny food special with our space monkey oLLie. We made him little tiny animal-shaped peanut butter jelly sandwiches. He's really trying,
almost got
trying to get over them. I got him just short enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and he's ready. You want some lunch, bro? oLLie, you want some lunch? Come here. Come on. Let me help you. Let's bring it over here. Come here, oLLie. Let's get it. Wow. What is it then? That's the elephant. You like it? What's your finger? He eats them like I eat them. Yeah, the jelly's the best.
So actually the jelly is one that I canned with no sugar. We actually use stevia.
We made that.
From our stevia leaves.
Is that good?
So it's a sugar-free.
He's killing it.
And the peanut butter's one from the local market where you can grind your own peanuts.
Quack, quack, oLLie, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. I'm just a little donkey. I'm just a duck. We got these little molds that we can press them out for the babies, but they work for oLLie too. Yoink. Is that good?
He's like, thanks, Father.
Is it so yummy? Good job, oLLie. If you guys notice, right above oLLie's right eye, he's got a little strawberry. He's done that about 3 times now. I think that's the 3rd or 4th one. Very minor. It's just where they jump around, they miss, or they bump something, and it happens quite often, apparently. Even in the wild, it's one of their most damaging things, attributes. It's what hurts them the most, is falling and predators. oLLie, you're making a mess, bro. What about a whale? Get that one.
He's like, stop touching it.
Yeah. You like it? Yum, yum. So what do you guys think he likes more, the peanut butter or the jelly or the bread? So messy. Such a little guy, so messy. Feel good? That's the fish. Is that good? Soon we'll be doing a stanky leg video where we'll be explaining all these little stanky leg. This one. Oh, no, stanky boy. Good job, oLLie. Is this so good? Very good. Very good. He's going in.
He ain't even breathing in between, y'all.
I got peanut butter in my hands. I don't like it. So I thought that was only exclusive to oLLie, but I actually read a story about a gorilla who doesn't like to get his hands and feet dirty, and he walks upright, like on 2 feet, when it's like wet. He'll walk like a person.
So crazy. He doesn't get his other 2 feet wet? Yeah. That's funny.
Or if he's carrying food, he doesn't quadruped it. He stands up and walks.
That's funny.
Who would have thought? Well, yeah, gotta get some on me. Is this so good, bud?
Get some of that jelly on you.
Don't forget the little duck. oLLie's lonely. Quack, quack, quack. Don't eat me. It's not too big a mess, huh? Yeah, you can eat that one on Daddy. Okay, bud. It's the same as lunchtime with Daddy and Mommy, huh? It's the quietest he's been in a while. Today our water pipes burst in the front because they're digging out a fiber optic line. and they broke our water pipe and it was flooding out the whole thing, so they're out there fixing it, and ollie's upset there in his yard. They're so mad, Ollie.
It was a lot of water too. Like, our yard is way soggy right now.
A little soupy out there.
And we're on a hill, so they did it at the top of the hill and everything was running down. They had to like quickly try to dig in the front yard to make it a little bit deeper to try to help the flow.
You see something? He's like, I'm just chilling. He's like, walking the yard for now.
Oh, you had to get it on my camera.
Peanut butter camera. Come here, Ollie. Come here, Ollie. He likes that noise. You see something? See me coming up? You see it? Get him, Ollie. Kick that bug. He's trying to chase him down. You see something? No? He's like, I see this peanut butter sandwich.
I was just gonna say the same thing. I see that my PB&J needs refilled.
He's trying to make you play over. You need some help? Or you got it, monkey boy? What? That's a weird spot to eat. Imagine if humans ate that way. All perched up like that.
That would be so weird.
Then each other would look completely different.
Oh, hang on, let me help you lead a little bit. Oh, sorry.
Where is it? Where'd it go? There it is. Good job, Mom. You found it. Did you find something? Mm-hmm. Good job. You thought it was at the window, huh? Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of a baby squirrel monkey. Please like and subscribe.